Introducing the Bosch PFS 7000, a paint spraying system that's both powerful and versatile, perfect for any painting job indoors or out. With a robust 650-watt motor, it delivers an adjustable flow rate of up to 300 milliliters per minute, ensuring a smooth and even coat every time. This system features a 1,000 milliliter container and a 4-meter hose, making it easy to reach high and low spots without hassle. The AL Paint spray technology allows you to work with various types of paint, from emulsions to varnishes, adapting effortlessly to your project's needs. Plus, its ergonomic design and constant feed feature ensure consistent performance and comfort even during extended use. Meet the Kebtek Pruning Shears, a top choice for gardeners and professionals alike. These electric shears come with a powerful rechargeable lithium battery, ensuring 6 to 8 hours of continuous work on a full charge. With an adjustable cutting diameter of up to 25 millimeters and high carbon steel blades, they effortlessly tackle branches, twigs, and stems. The ergonomic design and lightweight build make them comfortable to use for extended periods, while the safety switch and LED display add extra convenience and security. Packed with a carrying case, charger, spare blades, and a toolkit, they are ready for any pruning task. Next, the Worx Nitro Wet-Dry Vacuum is a versatile cordless tool designed for all your cleaning needs. Equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor and a 20 volts PowerShare Pro battery, it delivers powerful suction with multiple speed settings. The 3-gallon tank capacity and 7-foot hose make it perfect for both wet and dry messes, whether in your workshop, garage, or home. Its lightweight, ergonomic design ensures comfort and portability, while the detachable tank and washable HEPA filter make maintenance a breeze. With various attachments, including extension wands and a crevice tool, this vacuum easily handles any task. Meet another game changer, the electric snow ice scraper, your ultimate winter tool for effortlessly clearing your car's windows. This handy device, powered by a rechargeable battery or a 12 volts car adapter, melts and scrapes away ice with its heated, durable blade. Weighing just around 1 to 2 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle, featuring an ergonomic grip for comfort during use. The built-in LED indicator keeps you informed of battery status, while safety features ensure it won't overheat. With its quick charging time and efficient ice removal, your mornings just got a whole lot easier. The Kwick Gripper is the ultimate tool for effortlessly removing stubborn nails and screws. Crafted from hardened steel and measuring 8 inches in length, this tool features an ergonomic handle for comfortable use. Its cam-locking mechanism ensures a secure grip, making it easy to extract even the most rusted or broken fasteners. Designed to minimize damage to surrounding materials, it's perfect for woodworking, construction, and DIY projects. Lightweight at just 1.5 pounds, the Kwick Gripper combines durability and efficiency, making it a must-have for any toolbox. Can you imagine a tool that holds all tools like screws, nails, and tiny tools right at your fingertips? The magnetic wristband, made from durable, breathable fabric, features 10 to 15 embedded neodymium magnets for a secure hold. Weighing just a few ounces, it's comfortable for all-day wear, with an adjustable strap to fit any wrist size. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, it ensures you never fumble for tiny metal parts again. Whether you're drilling, hammering, or assembling, this wristband is a game changer for convenience and efficiency. Next, Sealey 3.7V Vacuum Drill Dust Extractor is a game changer with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that runs for an hour on a full charge. Weighing just 0.5 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to handle, fitting most drill sizes seamlessly. Its strong suction captures dust and debris efficiently, while an integrated LED light brightens your work area. With a washable filter and quick attachment, it makes clean, precise drilling a breeze for any construction, woodworking, or home improvement project. Meet the Bullseye Pro Digital Tire Inflator, equipped with a powerful motor and a rechargeable 2000 mAh battery that delivers fast and accurate inflation up to 150 psi. Its digital LCD screen ensures you never overinflate, automatically stopping at your preset pressure. The ergonomic design, coupled with an integrated LED light, makes it perfect for any situation, day or night. With multiple nozzles and a handy storage compartment, it's ideal for cars, bikes, and sports equipment, ensuring you're always prepared for any adventure. Meet another furry gadget crafted by Rothenberger, the Robend 4000E. This electric tube and pipe bender, powered by a 1000-watt motor, handles copper, stainless steel, and composite pipes of various sizes. The digital LCD display and memory function ensure you get the exact bend every time, while the quick change system allows for fast adjustments. Weighing around 22 kilograms, it's robust yet ergonomically designed for comfortable use. Ideal for plumbing and HVAC installations, the Robend 4000E makes both on-site and workshop projects a breeze with its reliable performance and user-friendly features. The Geevorks Nail Gun. This versatile tool, available in both pneumatic and cordless models, offers adjustable depth control for precise nailing. It features a quick-release magazine holding up to 100 nails, making reloads a breeze. Weighing between 5 to 8 pounds, it's designed for comfort with an ergonomic handle and no-mar tip to protect your work surfaces. Whether you're framing, decking, or fencing, the Geevorks Nail Gun ensures efficient and safe operation with its robust safety mechanisms and user-friendly design. The Saker Mini Chainsaw may help you enhance your outdoor toolkit. This compact cordless tool runs on a powerful 20-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery, delivering efficient performance with its high-speed brushless motor. Weighing just 1.1 kilogram, it's easy to handle with one hand, making pruning and trimming a breeze. The ergonomic design and safety lock ensure comfortable and secure use, while the tool-free chain tensioning keeps adjustments quick and simple. Perfect for gardening and light-duty tasks, the Saker Mini Chainsaw combines convenience and reliability in one handy package. Lightening up your workspace effortlessly with the Milwaukee M18 Dual Power Tower Light. Delivering up to 3,000 lumens, it can run on both an M18 red lithium battery pack or plug into an AC outlet for versatility. With an adjustable height from 4 to 7 feet and a rotating head, it ensures light reaches every corner. Built to withstand tough job site conditions, this 18-pound light is dust and water resistant with an IP54 rating. Its collapsible design and built-in handle make it easy to transport and store, perfect for any construction site or outdoor activity. The creators of the CPK Hybrid cable tie tool have combined performance and convenience in one product. If there's a 120-volt outlet nearby, just plug it in or use the built-in battery with a 2 amp-hour capacity, enough for 8,000 ties. This tool operates up to 92 times per minute and features an ergonomic handle for comfortable use. Additionally, it has an LED indicator for battery status and a safety lock to prevent accidental activation. To save time on reloading, the CPK Hybrid includes a reel that holds 5,000 ties. Meet the Ridgid Easy Change Plumbing Wrench. This versatile tool, crafted from durable aluminum and steel, features an adjustable jaw that fits pipes up to 1.5 inches. Its 180-degree pivoting head and ergonomic handle make it perfect for tight spaces and extended use. With a quick change mechanism and built-in reamer, it's designed for efficiency, handling various tasks from installing faucet nuts to deburring pipes. Lightweight at just 1.2 pounds, it's a must-have for both residential and commercial plumbing projects. Now you may tackle any detailed work with the Wen Pneumatic Multi-Tool, a versatile companion for all your cutting, sanding, and scraping needs. Powered by compressed air at 90 psi, it delivers 18,000 oscillations per minute, ensuring precision and efficiency. Weighing just 2.3 pounds, its ergonomic handle reduces fatigue, and the quick change system lets you switch accessories in seconds. Built to last, it's perfect for wood, metal, plastic, and more, making it a must-have for both professional and DIY projects. Complete with cutting blades, sanding pads, and a user manual, it's ready to enhance your toolkit. That's all for today, friends. Which tools impressed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you go, and join us again soon to explore more amazing tools. See you next time!